Hi, I'm Rich Urquhart with Audio Video Extremes. So, you found the lot, you found the builder, you found the design. So while you're building your home, there's a few things you want to definitely consider. Pre-wire. You gotta do this. If you don't want to see all those wires hanging from the TV, if you don't want to have the confusion of what to do, where to do it, and how to make it work, pre-wire. So pre-wire, when it comes right down to it, we might have heard these wonderful buzzwords of smart homes, connected homes, the technology of the future and such. Well, the reality is that when it comes down to pre-wiring, this all encompasses everything. Whether you're going to do a television, a coffee pot, or refrigeration, this all works now in the future together. So if you're looking to do a new range, they all have internet. Well, pre-wire comes in so you can either hardwire it or wireless. And the reality is that anybody will tell you that's been in the industry as long as I have, and 25 years, hardwire is always better than wireless. One of the latest trends is to have audio placed everywhere throughout your home. When we do our pre-wires here with Audio Video Extremes, we will actually install the brackets for the speakers as well as the back boxes for the speakers. Now, the clients may not have it in their budget to invest in the speakers, and that's okay. But it will look like the speakers are done and fully functional. So as the budget does allow, we can pop down the speaker grills and pop in the speaker itself, and everything is good to go. So on the back side, if they didn't have it pre-wired, those items would have been thousands of dollars to put in, versus on the front side, it's very minimal. When it comes to pre-wiring it ahead of time, it may not be one of those things you're thinking about on the front side. 3 years, 5 years, or when you go to sell your home, that's when it really becomes important. Or, for example, if you want to get out of a trouble with your spouse, you got the wires there. You can put in that next item that she really wants or he wants by thinking ahead and just putting in some wires when their house is being constructed. Pre-wiring may not seem important now, but in 3 to 5 years, you'll be grateful you did it.